Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to this new tutorial video here. And today I'm going to show you how you can download and install Teamviewer on your Windows 10 PC. So let's start the video. First of all, open your browser and here just type Teamviewer and search for it. And this is their official website, Teamviewer. Just click this website link. And after that, on top of your right screen, you can see free download. Click that option here, and here you can see three different types of packages, but we want to download it for free. But if you want to pay the premium price, you can just click the buy now option, but we are going to download it for free. Just click download now here, and here all the operating system the Teamviewer is available. We are using Windows 10, so click the Windows option here, and after that scroll down a little bit, and here you can see Teamviewer full client. We are going to download it. The download 64-bit version or 34-bit version depending on your system. If you don't know what bit you are currently using, just simply go to your this PC option, right click it here and select properties. And here you can see the system type. Right now I'm using 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to download this 64-bit. Just click it, and after that the download will automatically start. I previously downloaded this one, so I don't need to download it again. I'm just going to simply click this one here. It will redirect me to the folder, and after that all you have to do is double click it to start the installation process. And here you can see the setup widget. Just click accept and next, and as you can see the installation process is started. It will take a few seconds or minute depending on your PC speed, so wait for it. As you can see the installation process is completed. Just click I accept and click continue, and this is your Teamviewer application. So the installation process is completed. Just click OK and you are ready to go. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you. I will catch you guys in the next video.